Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your Twitter account. So if you've been on Twitter lately and are wondering how Twitter works, it can be a pretty daunting task to find that out. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you the basics of how Twitter works and what you can do on Twitter. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Twitter app from either your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you'll be asked to either log into your account or sign up to your account, and make sure that you get completed with all of these procedures. After you get logged into your account, you will land on an interface that looks like this, that is your home page. So on the home page, you will be able to see the tweets of different people or different accounts that you've followed or even not followed at the moment. But what you can do here is that you can now like certain tweets. So I'm just going to show you by liking a tweet. When you tap on the heart button, you will have liked a particular tweet. If you want to retweet the thing, like if you agree or disagree or just want to retweet this particular thing that this person has written, you can simply tap on the button besides the heart button on the left hand side. And here it will ask you if you want to just retweet or you want to quote the tweet. So I'm just going to tap on quote tweet. So when I quote tweet, I'll just be able to write something like this. And then I can also add a picture over here. I can also add a GIF. And then I can also check into certain arenas and then tap on the tweet button on the upper right hand side. After I do that, my tweet will now have been sent, as you can see over here. You can also comment on other people's tweet by tapping on the comment section and then writing up a certain reply and then tapping on reply on the upper right hand side. Then you can see that on the lower side, the second option from the left hand side is a search icon. When you tap on the search icon, you will be able to see different things that either people or different pages or different other things that are on Twitter over here. And then you can either follow people, you can follow different pages. You also have some recommendations over here. Then you will see that the third option from the left hand side is a bell icon. When you tap on the bell icon, you'll be able to see your notifications. So there are different notifications over here. You'll be able to see every single one of them. If there's a certain mention, you'll be able to see it in this particular section as well. So this is how the bell icon works. You can also see that on the lower right hand side, there's a message icon. When you tap on it, every single conversation that you have on Twitter will appear to you over here. And there you can see that on the upper right hand side, there's a settings icon. When you tap on it, you'll be able to manage the settings of messaging. So after this, what you can also see is when you go back to the home page, you'll also be able to see a feather-like plus icon over here. When you tap on it, it means that you'll be able to make your own tweet. So I'm just gonna make my own tweet and show it to you. Here, what you can do is you can change the setting if everyone can reply or people you follow can reply or only people you mention can reply. So here I'm just going to leave it to everyone at the moment. You can also add a certain picture over here. So I'm just going to show you by adding a particular picture. And then you can also tag people onto this picture. Then tap on the tweet button on the upper right hand side after getting along with every single setting. And in a few while, it will let you know that your tweet was sent. So when you tap on it, you can see here that your tweet has already been sent. What you can also do is, this is a new feature by Twitter. You can see that on your profile icon, there's a plus icon. So when you tap on this, you'll be able to add up a certain story. So when you tap on a particular story, and then you can make changes here like editing with stickers or just the color or even adding text over here. So it's basically like uploading story on any other social media platform. Then tap on Flit. When you tap on Flit, your flit will get uploaded and now people will be able to see this. So this is basically how the story section of Twitter works. Now, in order to know more, what you can also do is that on the upper right hand side, there are three horizontal lines. You'll be able to see different options over here. Like you can always go to settings and privacy, go to account, and then make necessary changes to your account. You can also log out from here. You also have privacy and safety. You have different notification, content preferences, display and sound. You can change your display through this mode. And then on the same section, you can also see an option that says profile. So when you go to your profile, you'll be able to see your tweets and replies, your media, your likes, and different other things over here. What you can also do here is you can tap on Setup Profile and then always add to different information that your profile needs. That is picking a header or picking a profile picture, updating your bio, updating your username, location, or anything else. So this is basically how Twitter works. It's a really wonderful and a really productive platform to be on. There are a lot of people on Twitter and it helps you get updated with a lot of things that are happening as of current affairs. So I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to make your own Twitter account and know the basics of how you can use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also do like, share, and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.